Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Looking for precision in your projects? Meet the STANLEY CUBIX TM Crossline Green Beam Laser Level. This powerful tool projects clear horizontal and vertical lines, making every job a breeze. With a working range of 16 meters and an accuracy of plus or minus 6 millimeters at 10 meters, you can trust it for flawless results. The bright green beam ensures visibility even in daylight, perfect for hanging curtains or leveling cabinets. Plus, its self-leveling feature and durable design mean you can tackle any indoor task with confidence. And with a convenient pendulum lock for safe transport and a 1/4-inch thread for tripod mounting, the STANLEY CUBIX TM Crossline Green Beam Laser Level is ready for anything. Get yours today and elevate your DIY game.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.